Hi everybody, Dr. Jody Kinney. One of the things I want to go over this time is why chiropractic is so beneficial in helping with open and drain your sinuses. Chiropractic is an all-natural way to alleviate misalignments, fixations, what we call subluxations from the spine. The neck spine, the upper back spine, the lower back spine, but specifically the upper cervical or upper neck area. The nerves that come from here go to the head. Go to your glands, go to your sinuses, go to your nose, inner ears, throat, head, eyes, right? So if the nerves are irritated or pinched, or if the spine is out of alignment, not allowing for normal healthy nerve supply, those areas, the sinus and drainage areas of the head and the ears and the throat, can become congested, backed up, and not allow for proper normal drainage and function. So the nerves that come from here specifically feed into the glands, feed into the sinuses, feed into the eyes, and it all comes from this upper neck region. So if you have issues with sinuses, or inner ear problems, or sinus headaches, or congestion, you might have a subluxation or a misalignment at the top of your neck, and adjustments, chiropractic adjustments, can help open up that pathway and allow for that normal, healthy nerve supply to allow those areas to drain and function and work like they're supposed to. So if you're struggling with sinus pressure and congestion and you're sick of taking Claritin and Allegra and all these sinus medications, and I don't blame you because once they wear off, your problems are back, you want to fix it the right way, come in to our office. Come get yourself checked. We'll do a thorough exam, consultation, figure out where your issues are so that we can get your body working and functioning like it should be without drugs. Okay, Dr. Jody signing off. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you soon.